Hey there, it's David Cohen, your local home loan expert. And today I wanted to answer a question I often get asked, and that is, how early should I start preparing for a mortgage? And in this case, we're usually talking about for a purchase mortgage. My answer is, I don't think you can ever start too early. You always want to speak with a lender, certainly before you even begin to start looking at homes. You need to know if you're qualified and how much you're qualified for. And if you're not qualified, well, why not? And what steps can you take to get there? And it's for those reasons that I don't think you can ever start early enough. And a lot of times it's because you also don't know what you don't know. Sometimes a client who might be retired has tons of money sitting in assets, and they're thinking, I've got plenty of money, there shouldn't be any issue for me to obtain a mortgage. Well, that's not necessarily the case. One of the factors, for example, that we examine is your ability to repay the debt, not based on a chunk of assets sitting in an account, but a continuous stream of income that we need to look at to make sure that you can afford to pay down the debt. Now, there's some creative things retired folks can do with their retirement money to create a stream of income, but the point I'm making here is you don't know what you don't know, and so the earlier you can speak with a mortgage professional, learn about your qualifications, the better off you can be. I think it's a great habit to start getting on a credit monitoring service so you aren't surprised by anything that appears on your credit. You also want to make sure that you have a lot of your paperwork handy for the most recent 2 years, typically, W-2s and tax returns. And that's pretty much my honest advice is you can never start too early, and ask the questions, find out what you don't know so that you can position yourself to be in a great position to buy when you're ready. I hope that answers your questions. If you have anything specific, don't ever hesitate to reach out to me. Have a great day.